So we're here to open up our gifts from everybody from Corro, and we're pretty excited about this. So let's see what we got. Ooh. Got a new Western girth. That's pretty cool. And all right, so this is a feed bag for Cody. Cool, it's got its own little bag. And Shorty got a new brush and another brush. And looks like Chachi and Tilly also got new brushes. These are great. And Pede and Cody got new brushes. Oh, and Feather too. That'll be great. And a Buteless. That is very cool. We go through a lot of that, like one of those a month. And 1, 2, we got 7 tubes of dewormer. Thank you very much. And then we get to go to the second box. Dennis got a new saddle pad, and that's actually pretty padded, so I'm sure he will appreciate that very much. And we got a Back on Track therapeutic mesh sheet, and that one is a 60-inch, so the ponies are going to get therapy blanket. Very cool. And we got a second one. Let's see what size this one is. This one is a 90, so all the big boys will get some therapy too. Very cool. And this is a very big bucket. Oh, and that is Probios, so it's like horse yogurt. That'll take us a couple years to go through, but thank you very much. We just want to say thank you very much for supporting CHAPS and for supporting Corro. It was really great for them to choose us to be part of their Give a Gift program. So thank you all very much for supporting CHAPS, getting us some things that we need, and for helping Corro to get their name out. Thank you very much.